So we're starting today off, well, this video, as we shut the truck up, with a bit of wiring. I've just pulled out the actual old, terrible, absolutely terrible Pioneer stereo that was in this because it didn't have Bluetooth. It had CDs and stuff in it, but it didn't have any Bluetooth capability. So I went on eBay and purchased this, which is, as I take the I'll take the wrapping off because it looks a little bit nicer. This, which is sort of an old school looking Bluetooth, look how small it is as well, Bluetooth in-car stereo system, as you can see there. So that should look quite good. It'll look a lot better than the last one, as you can see, new age versus sort of new age but old age. So yeah, that's going to go in there. It's got USB and an aux in and an SD card reader as well, but I literally wanted it for Bluetooth so I can play music in the trucks through the 6x9s that are just down there. But that's what we're going to do today. We're going to throw them on. I'm going to throw some new number plates on as well that I have, because I don't like the number plates that are on the truck. Firstly, we're going to go to Halfords and buy some bits to put this together. Pulling this out, the idea was to just see how good or bad the wiring was behind and see what connector was on the end. But I've spoken to Josh, and we're going to sort all that today. So we've made it back home, and look who's turned up with many tools. You don't seem very up for this. Oh, you bloody would be, wouldn't you? He's bought a race car though, look at this. But he's bought tools because I've apparently lost all mine. I don't know what's happened there, but I genuinely think that when I sold the Saxo, which everybody probably doesn't know that happened, that happened, I sold the Saxo. I think I sold my toolkit in the back of it. That was a good idea. It's probably worth more than the car was. Anyway, we're into this shed now, so we're going to take these two number plates off and that number plate because they have zero need to be on there. I have, yeah, this one. I'm going to take this one off.
Are they painted around it?
Yes. Like they've just painted around this sticker as well. I've just taken that off, and this was military green underneath because, if people didn't know, this is actually forced patina on this. So I'll try and colour match that. It's gonna be funny. We'll see. Get your drill out. We're gonna start drilling. Tuna fish. Bolts. What size do you reckon it is? It's like a guessing game, really. Off this and explain something. So, as I've already said, forced patina on the truck, and it was military green from not the factory, but I think it's been green and blue and green and blue. Yeah, that's why these, where the sticker was, where the number plate was. But we will be solving that with a couple of you know, paint brushes and that. But yeah, drilling out the rivets that were in here, there, and just unbolting that number plate with a professional tool, with a professional guy.
Professional tool?
Are you the professional tool? That's a professional tool. I mean, look. Nice. That's no cheap knockoff brand stuff. But the idea I want for the back is just to clean up, obviously, this bit here and that bit and take the plates off. But actually centre the number plate in the centre. I think that's a good idea, isn't it? Centre of the centre. Centre of the centre. So hopefully we can use these two bolt holes, so we won't have to drill anymore. That's the sort of point to this. And yeah, get right in there. We have these from eBay Specials, proper hot rod nut stud thingies to put the number plate on. Sick, mate. Sick, mate. Love it, didn't you? But all the tools.
All the gear, no idea.
All the gear, no idea. Look at this. So, Josh,
I've done it.
Absolute legendary. So, this one taken off, all the rivets drilled out, and this will be, well, I'll explain when it comes what's going on with these parts. But yeah, look at that. These are the show plates though. Show plates.
All show, no go.
I'm gonna say show plates because show plates. Please don't Get at me. Showing my plate. But these are the show plates. They're going to look really good when they're at show. So I can take them off beforehand and after and show them. You know what I mean, don't you?
Yeah, show all of them.
Show all of them. But yeah, well happy with how they come out. She's getting it, mate. I'm well happy with that. Yeah, there's a couple of screw holes in the bumper, but you're going to get that, if I'm honest. It's going to happen. But I'm well happy, mate. Yeah, well, super happy. We'll cover the rest of them up. Yeah, we've done well. Well, you've done really well there, mate. Okay. I've been around the front, scraping loads of stuff off the front. Yeah, well happy with that. Sits nice as well in the middle of the bumper. I was a bit umming and ahhing about where to put it. I'm glad we went with the middle of the bumper.
Why would you not go in the middle?
Yeah, well, it's hot roddy to have it off the side, I suppose. But if it's NASCAR-y, I suppose it should sit there. Well happy, well happy, well happy, well happy. Give us a like and a comment for doing bits to old sheds. Love sheds.
Droopy bumpers.
With droopy, yeah. Oh yeah, let's go around here. Look how droopy the bumper is. Just there. Need to solve that. Just jack one side up on the bumper and compress it in a little bit. Should be good. That's how they used to do it in the hot rod days.
Is that your new thing?
Yeah. If anything's really terrible, like terrible work, just say, oh, that's how you used to do it in the olden days, so that's all right.
Hot rod days.
That's how it works. Hot rod. It's hot rod. Hey, sausage.
Got big pauses.
Oh, look how big his pauses are. Oh, sausage. Sausage. Slinkers, what's cracking? You still beautiful? Yeah, you are. See you in a bit. Come out absolutely
no more rattles though.
No more rattles. So the main reason why I wanted to take that off is because it rattles so bad when you're driving. Literally it smacks the cab and then it'll smack the bed and it'll smack the cab, and although it's the original part and I will keep it, I just don't want it on there anymore. And I like this bit of a truck, this bit. This does show off green though. We need to patina these parts. So this needs to go blue, blue. That'll all come though. Happy with that though. Looks a lot more like a pickup truck now.
So get rid of stickers.
Yep, stickers are next. Number plates on, tighten the front bolt up and all that business off camera. Oh, this seat's so nice, isn't it?
Just plug it in, mate.
Oh. Well, I just want it to be...
Look.
So, you know, we just went to Halfords and paid like too much money for some like clippy doobies. Didn't need to do that. Probably use them for the rest of the car though, because the wiring's terrible in here. Let's be honest. That was easy. Wow, that was too easy, wasn't it? We've done well. Right, we'll come around this side. We've just run a couple of wires through the car, the truck or pickup truck, to put this in so it all works absolutely perfect now. And what I'm going to do off camera, just push all the tabs in and that and make sure she's all happy in there. But yeah, thanks to Josh.
You work it.
This happens. Oh, should we actually turn it on and show the ladies and gentlemen? So, give her a bit of power. She comes on. Hello! And...
Oh, can you press play on there?
Can I press play on there?
Maybe not.
Look at that! Yeah! Now I will talk really loud because we don't want stuff happening. Pause. As you can see,
it works.
It works. And it remembers stuff as well. So that is going to go in that hole. But I want to get some black tape just to tape everything up and stuff because the wiring, although professional wirer,
I'll let you finish it off.
You're going to let me finish it off by just putting black tape over everything because it's it's a bit hickledy-pickledy in here, but we're going to get to all of this. But this is just one of those things for driving around. We just wanted to do. Shout out these as well. They were cheap. Why not? They're all stuck together.
Can you show them the front plate?
Oh, let's go. Oh, we haven't shown that. It's quick round here. The front plate is on as well. Go round. Yeah, so existing hole one side, I think it was, wasn't it?
Both sides.
Both sides. I like it. I like the way it sits. Yeah, it works. Works really well. That's all to be continued in there. That's just going to be one big video of but it's coming.
Just one?
It's can I force more than one video out of that? It's going to take more than one video to do, don't get me wrong, but yeah, the wiring is, we won't show the ladies and gentlemen how bad the wiring is, but it's pretty bad in here. It's your worst nightmare, this is. He doesn't like.
Why?
Yeah, there we go. There it is. Why has this happened? Anyway, from Josh, go and follow him on Instagram for helping me today. It's a goodbye. We'll say goodbye from me. Bye from the truck. Leave a comment below. If you want to support us in any way, fydarapparel.com. If you want to support Josh, go and like his.
Start an OnlyFans.
Yeah, oh, you start an OnlyFans and get you out. And we'll see you later. Bye.